Morning, Todd from Walnut Ridge. Just wanted to go over a few things, probably out of sight. I mean, not out of sight, out of mind, but things that get overlooked. Tires is a big one. Just do a visual inspection on your tires. Make sure you don't see any cracking, dry rotting just from the sun sitting out. Uh, Retorque your lugs. I know people probably overlook tires, even though that is a main thing on these campers. Fifth wheels. Uh, it's just we've had a lot of units come in, insurance jobs just from tire blowouts. Is why I was kind of touching base uh, this morning on this. Also, a few other tips just for preventative maintenance or preventing accident. Your This one here has electric stabilizer jacks in the front, rear, and the front. It does have a 12-volt motor. Does have a worm gear in there. Want to get some dry graphite, spray them down every few months just to keep them working properly. And then we're going to go around the other side of the camper here. Another thing to check, which people will forget, spare tire carrier. Pull your cover off, just check the bolt, maybe tighten it down, make sure it has not worked its way loose on the spare tire carriers. And then water heater, preventative maintenance. So this one here has an anode rod, and you can see it is starting to look pretty bad. There is a little metal rod running through the middle of it. It's kind of hard to see on this one. This one, I would replace this. They're about $10. We've been getting calls about them getting, the sulfur smell in their campers. This is the culprit. So $9 or $10. I would just, when it starts looking before it gets this bad, I would replace it. Now the Atwoods that have aluminum tank, you don't need to really do that. They have a plastic drain plug. So there's, you're not going to have to do anything with that. We're going back up to the front of this camper. I touched base with batteries last week, but I'm going to throw this in again. This one actually has a bad battery just due to not maintaining it, lack of maintenance, not checking the water levels in the battery. So got two bad cells in this battery, so it is getting a new battery installed on it. Batteries typically come with a warranty from the battery manufacturer, but cannot get them covered due to lack of maintenance, not checking your water level in those batteries, and then they end up just cooking the battery, and unfortunately then you're looking at a customer out-of-pocket expense. So just wanted to throw that in there again, even though I touched base with that last week on the batteries. Hope this information helps, folks. Have a good day.